My name is Rebeca Martinez. I'm a practicing attorney. I've been in practice for about 18 years. I am seeking the office of Place 2 Associate Justice on the 4th Court of Appeals. I am seeking that office because I feel that I am the most qualified to fill that position. As a Democrat, I would be only the second Democrat on the court. Currently, the Chief Justice, Catherine Stone, is the only Democrat on the court of 7 justices. The court represents 32 counties in South Texas, all the way from Fredericksburg down to the border. And it's important in my mind that that demographic is truly represented on the Court of Appeals. The 4th Court is an intermediate court. It is, for the most part, 90% of the time, the last court of appeals that a case appealed from either the district or county court goes to. The Texas Supreme Court doesn't hear all cases that come before it. It's important to the young Democrats in this area to understand that the judiciary is just as important as the legislative and the executive branches of our government. We are very concerned right now with things that are happening with the president, the governor's office, our state representatives, both on the state and federal level. But it's important that the third branch, the judiciary, is as important, if not more. We make sure that they do their jobs right. And as an appellate judge, I also make sure that the trial judges have applied the law correctly and fairly. What unique qualifications do I offer? I believe I'm the only candidate that has real-world life experiences and professional experiences to handle the cases that actually come before the court. The court hears civil cases and criminal cases, in fact, all cases except the death penalty cases. And I would be the only candidate that has actually advocated on behalf of the party litigants that come before the court. I've represented both plaintiffs and defendants, small business and large corporations, individual families, children, and unknown fathers. I am the only candidate that can say that. My one and only client that I feel my candidate has had has been just as a corporate counsel. While she and I both share appellate briefing experiences, I think that after, in real life practice, I actually have done what, for the most part, the party litigants that come before the court have also done. I'm a litigator. I'm in the court every day. I've been in the court all day today and all week. And I think that when the cases that come before the associate justices that review them, they should have the added perspective of having been a litigant in the court and actually know what they're talking about, the parties themselves. And so I feel it's important that the young Democrats understand that they, as employees, as employers, as business owners, as students, as parents, that they should also understand that the laws that are affected to them directly are applied in our courts, and they should understand that they direct them, even though not specifically, but to all the young individuals in the 32 counties that I represent. So thank you very much, and I ask for your vote.
Thank you.